called? Old style? Old fashioned? Classic. That's what I meant. I can't quite tell what type of face that is, but I'm making whatever that face is. Now I'm gonna say that in my head, and I hate you for it. You're the worst. Hey guys, so right now I am gonna jump into finishing up my makeup. I'm gonna do foundation, contour, etc. I just have my eyes and eyebrows done, so hopefully that still stays intact. I have my hair done, so that's all good, and let's get this makeup look finished so we can get on to our date. Okay, so to start off this classic glamorous look, we are going to be using Dr. Brandt's PORE Refiner Primer, and this is by far my absolute favorite as of right now. I have been using this non-stop ever since I discovered it, so I highly recommend it. And it just leaves my face feeling so smooth. Oh no! Okay, so I already messed up the eyebrow. Okay, let's keep it going. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the DERMA Blend Loose Setting Powder, and that is in the color Warm Saffron. And I like using this because it adds a little more color into my foundation. You'll see later on in this video that I actually have to blend two different colors in order to get something close to my shade. And I used the Complexion powder brush by IT Cosmetics in the number 225. And here you actually get to see me try and concoct my perfect shade, since I do have to kind of play around with it and see what works. One of the foundations that I'm using is Honest Beauty. It's the Tinted Moisturizer, and it's got an SPF of 30, which I absolutely love. Here I'm using my E.L.F. beauty sponge, and I do like the texture that it gives my skin. I think I prefer it more to using the brushes to kind of blend in my foundation. Honestly, after using a beauty blender or one of these sponges, it's a little hard to go back to the foundation brushes, but I do want to take a look at different brushes and see if there's one that I do like. I think if I look hard enough, I will find something that I like, but as of lately, I've just noticed the huge difference that the beauty blender has done for my skin. It leaves a flawless finish, and it really helps my makeup look a lot better on camera. So definitely try it out if you have not tried a beauty blender, and if you want something more affordable, then E.L.F. is truly a good brand to look at. If you caught this, then you know the tinted moisturizer that I used had a pump on it, and I really like these specific features because it allows you to get more control out of it versus the dropper that you saw on the other foundation. And I think it just helps me personally have a lot better control of how much foundation I'm using. Okay, so currently my camera is dying and I have a little bit of battery left, so what I'm going to do is go watch an episode of The Boys with the hubster, and we'll be back to finish this beautiful, glamorous, old style look. What is it called? Old style? Old fashioned? Classic. Classic. That's what I meant. Classic. And I'm back after snacking and watching some TV. So I'm gonna start doing the O face for sure. Or is that the duck face? I can't quite tell what type of face that is, but I'm making whatever that face is. Here I pick up my MAC brush in the number 168, And this is my absolutely favorite brush to use for contouring. I also really like it for blush. I think that, especially for contouring, it helps me have better control of the angle that I'm trying to achieve. So I literally cannot say enough good things about this brush. It is just pure perfection. And here I'm picking up the SACHA Buttercup setting powder, and I'm going to be going in with the E.L.F small tapered brush just to set my under eyes. I love doing this step because it really helps decrease creasing throughout the day and makes it so that my cheekbones don't get so greasy, because I get oily all over my face, especially the forehead. So hopefully I go in and do the forehead as well. I also really like how it highlights the under eyes. It makes it look like I don't have any bags. Oh, and I guess I didn't do any on my forehead, so I am going straight to lining my lips. I'm using Lancome's lip liner in the shade 245 Mars, and I absolutely love how well this color matches my lips. I'm able to overline my lips and it still looks perfectly natural.
That was a spicy meatball.
You open your mouth.
See my nips?
I hope you know this is going on there.
No.
It's going. So with these movements, I am trying to make sure the powder is pat into my face and absorbed. And this is how I'm going to achieve the brightening effect on my under eyes. This video is probably super chaotic and just all over the place since I'm recording, but I think this is good. Once I let my personality actually shine through, I'll be able to do this in no time. I'm using pink sugar to gloss up my lips. This is by the brand Artistry, and it's a catalog brand, so do keep that in mind. Here I'm using Sephora's Luminizing Palette, and I'm using that golden, beautiful color that I am absolutely obsessed with. I literally don't use anything else besides this one. It's just magical. And for my highlight, I'm using the brush by IT Cosmetics in the number 203. It's the perfect little brush to get my highlight just right. And now I'm going in with a flat brush to apply my blush. And instead of focusing on my cheeks, what I'm doing here is creating a lifting effect, and it just helps bring more dimension to my face. I find that when I focus on the cheeks, it really makes my face look a lot rounder, versus when I use this specific technique, there's just more dimension to my face. And again, I'm using the IT Cosmetics brush to blend everything together, the highlight, the blush, the contour, making it look more natural. Hair is all done, makeup is all done, and most important, eyebrows are on fleek. Oh, I thought you were gonna say something, but I guess not. Okay. No? No? Okay. Hold on. Oh my gosh, I thought we were done with that. I like chocolate milk. Now I'm gonna say that in my head, and I hate you for it. You're the worst. This is the final look, guys, and I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I absolutely loved making it. For my highlight, I'm using the IT Cosmetics number 203. And I think that it is absolutely. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a huge thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. If you would like to be a part of our family, connect with us on social media. Link is in the description box. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, pollitos.